Here in Livigno, for 2 years, we are managing the Freeride Project. The idea is to provide the best information as possible to the people about snow stability, to leave the people free to do their backcountry experiences. We use a snowpack model, and then we are able to simulate the snow cover. We have 5 automatic weather stations that provides us quite a large amount of data updated in the morning. Every day for 8 o'clock we produce Avalanche Bulletin, local one. We upload it on our website. We have a mailing list. We broadcast it on the local TV. We show the main assets of the resorts. Daily we go out in the field, we make snow observation, and every time it's required we perform a snow profile with snow stability test. So basically we have all we need for producing a good product, a good bulletin. For collecting snow profiles we use quite new approaches as well. Now we are combining our information with a near-infrared picture from which we get grain sizes. We try to put everything together and we put out our ways to better produce snow profiles. We have quite a good collaboration with the local mountain guides, so every time that they are outside in the field, they give us the feedbacks about snow stability and they tell us what they observe. So it is a small community that really challenge and share information.